Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Ringke Easy Slide tempered glass for the Z Fold 7. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending the screen protector out for me for a review. You can pick up the screen protector from Amazon. I will have the links in the description, also from their website. So look in the description, support a company and also support the channel. We'll make sure how easy it is to actually install. Does it cover up a lot of this display? And then also, does it work friendly with cases too? So we'll check out the one case I've been using and see how friendly it works with that case. But let's get into it. I'm gonna try to install this on camera, but nice presentation. It has instructions on there. We're not gonna read them. We're gonna try to do this on our own. We're gonna try, maybe. But I'm gonna open it from the bottom. So you get 2 screen protectors, 2 cleaning kits. So that's one, and then if you mess up one or crack it, you have the extra one in here. It has instructions on the box how to reuse the installation kit there too. So the first thing you always want to do is turn off your phone. So the phone is off. Then you take your cleaning kit here. And we all been here before. Take your wipes, clean it off. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, or if you can do this, you know, when you don't have to worry about putting a case on there, I would definitely do that. That way you just let it adhere to the phone itself and you don't have to worry about touching it. Do it somewhere where it has the least amount of dust. I don't have a... I was like, wait, I don't have a cloth, but I do. So you dry the bad boy off. Then you take your little dust remover. Get all the dust off of it. You know, your normal stuff. Then you want to go ahead and... So this is the top here. It says 1 pull. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put it like this. Make sure it's in there. You kind of want to hold this together, and then you just kind of pull this out. Just like this. And then you can see it kind of going in there. Then what I'm going to do is take this off slowly. Now I have some bubbles, don't fear. If you have bubbles, you have your squeegee. You can squeegee them out. Just use some force. If you have any little bubbles, they will disappear too. That's another thing I say is that's why you want to do it at nighttime, because the bubbles might get on your nerves, but they go away. As long as you can get most of it off. These little bubbles will go away and disappear. And then there you go. The one thing you have to notice to play friendly with cases is that it's not going to cover up all of your display there. Like you can see it leaves some room around it. That is so it can play friendly with the cases. So if you have a case on there with the front, it's going to cover up what is not protected. Now, will they have other screen protectors out there that will cover more? Probably not, because again, they want their screen protectors to play friendly with cases. So, bam. But that's pretty much it. It was easy to put on. I mean, y'all seen it on there. I didn't do anything special. And then this will protect it, because I will be rocking their cases, other case companies' cases, and I won't have a problem with it. So yeah, it does. I mean, it covers up a little. I mean, you have a little bit of room, but the majority of your screen is protected there. So again, if you want to pick up this screen protector from Ringke, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.